big, hon. Hon,
It's not, hon.
can I have that now? And you have this?
What?
Hon,
No, hon, just have it. You
can I
believe
have?
it. It's not much bigger than this, hon. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. Ko is nagising ako mga 5 o'clock. Nakita ko sa Facebook, yung uncle ko, ng papa ng pinsan ko, yung kapatid ni mama na babae, yung asawa niya na lalaki, asawa niya. Wala na siya, guys. So, it's a bad news kaya hindi ako makatulog. Pero good morning, guys. Inyo dyan. Good morning. So, hindi ako nakatulog. Balik. Hindi naalis kami ng aga. Sabi ko, oh my God, hindi ako makatulog. And sabi ko, oh my goodness. Yun, si uncle na yun is, short story lang. Yun, yung parang doon ako nag-eskwela ng high school. Hindi buong high school. Second year. Sila yung nagpaaral sa akin ng second year. So, yun lang yung naano nila sa akin, 1 taon. Kasi marami silang estudyante eh. Lahat ng anak nila may mga college pa sila that time, 2. And then may high school. May high school sila, 2. Plus ako, 3. 2 elementary. So, ang daming pinaaral. So, hindi nila ako maano sa 3rd year. May cancer ata siya. Yeah, may cancer. So, yun, guys. Hindi lang ako tumawag. Sabi pa ni Tami, tatawag daw ako. So, yun, guys. It's a sad thing, right? Like, yung mga tao na nakilala mo noon, dahan-dahan na mawawala. But anyway, guys, so, yun yung nabalitaan ko this morning. And, aalis na kami 6 o'clock or 7 ngayon. It's almost, it's 8 o'clock na. And then si Tami hindi pa ready. Magre-ready lang ako, guys. Silamos, toothbrush, bihis. Kasi, nagtapon kami ng basura. And then, punta kami din sa cemetery. Bisitahin namin si Biyahe kasi birthday niya ngayon, guys. Dada said you don't eat your dindin. Why you don't eat your dindin? Did you eat? Who eat the dindin? Roxy, listen. Dada said you don't eat your dindin. Why? Do you want bonsi? Didn't finish your dindin. If you want some treaties, you're too lazy to eat. Oh, Dada said you don't eat your breakfast. Do you want to go eat your breakfast? Go finish your breakfast. I know you eat, but Dada said there is still very little left in there. Hoy, don't ignore me. Roxy, don't ignore Mama. Did you eat your dindin? Dada and I will be go before the no. What? Yeah, we're gonna go out, and you stay here, okay? You be a good girl. Are you gonna be a good girl? Dada doesn't want you to go with us. Oh my God, si Tami. Oy, Dada is just very little left. Roxy, come. Roxy, come. Come here. You go eat your dindin, and then Mama will give you bonsi. Finish. Go eat. You don't want to? Hold on, ha. I'm gonna let you out this way. But do you want this crackers? This is a good one, han. Chocolate inside. Ha? Okay, let's go out this way. Dalhin ko to, guys. Palabasin ko muna tong 2. I think we do. Look over here. It's right here, huh? Okay, do that, and then I'll let the dog out. Really needs something battery. Anyway, ang pangit ng tunog ng sasakyan pag inandar. May plano si Tami magpunta na naman ang cast ko. Itong asawa ko, ang daming plano. Punta muna kami ng bahay, itapon ng basura. Pagkatapos ng basura, I think cast ko. Wala akong tulog talaga, guys. Nagising ako talaga kanina. Gusto kong matulog ulit. Hindi ako makatulog. Na ako kasi nabasa ko yung Facebook, ang daming ng Facebook sa mga pinsan ko. Yung vlog natin is change ko siya sa umaga doon, 'di ba, sa Pinas, 10 o'clock ng umaga. So parang hindi ko komportable sa 10 o'clock ng umaga Kasi, yung thumbnail is last minute all the time kapag 10 o'clock. Yun yung naobserbahan ko. May mga ilang vlogs na yung na-upload na ano ko, na public sa 10 o'clock in the morning sa Pilipinas. So, every time it's last minute kasi magluluto ako, ganon. And then, thumbnail. And then, malapit na siya mag-10. Malapit na siyang mag-public. And then, hindula pang thumbnail. So, yun yung nakadiferensya sa ano. Parang nagmamadali ako palagi. So, I think, babalik tayo sa 5 o'clock ng hapon sa Pilipinas. Babalik po ako guys kasi parang nagmamadali ako palagi sa thumbnail ko. Hindi ko, ano, basta yun, parang nagmamadali ako palagi. So, balik po tayo sa 5 o'clock ng hapon doon, and then umaga dito. Si Tami guys, ano lang siya, kukuha lang siya ng flowers. Matagal na ako dito hindi nakapunta sa ShopRite na ito. Dito kami usually mag-grocery noong wala pa yung this is Stop and Shop. Pero noong wala pa yung ShopRite doon, mas malapit lang. Dito kami, as in dito may Home Goods dito sa ibabaw pero ibang exit. Sabi pa ni Tami dito daw siya punta dahil mas daw dito, may flowers, maraming selection ba. Wala ng Radio Shack. May Radio Shack doon before iba na. Hindi masyadong maginaw dito kasi lower yung sa amin is pinakamataas, kaya tinatawag na upstate. Kasi kapag malayo ka na sa city of New York, tinatawag ng upstate kasi pataas siya, pabundok. Pero city pa rin yung ibang mga town. Pero yung altitude na tumaas. Mag-travel ka papuntang upstate, para kang sumakay ng airplane dahil magpa-pop yung air mo, sumakit. So yun siya palagi noon, magpa-pop siya. Nagutom talaga. There you go. Nakakuha na siya ng bulaklak. What kind of flowers? Is that gonna go bad?
Flowers?
No, I mean you lay down like that.
No.
Why you go that way?
Hmm?
Why you went in that way?
I don't know. It came straight out the door on the street.
They have that.
Except the person who was working it, because the flowers is a separate store. You can't just bring it to the counter. And she was in the back somewhere, and they had to, after we're standing there waiting for how long, then they called her on the intercom, and it still took her, 15 minutes after that. I told her, look, don't wrap my I don't have the rest of my life to sit here in the store. I said, I'm just gonna put them in the corner anyway. She had a fantastic tree, but I was like, yeah, this is the one I sent him.
Hello guys, so si Tami na naman yung nag-drive papuntang cemetery, and yeah, so we put the garbage out. Yun lang yung ginawa namin dito, boxes and papers. Okay, no, it's a walk for you. This is where I work, Chico. Expensive thing expensive Chico. This is where the TD, and they are closed.
So you want
Hala, the
chicken
TD
parm?
is closed, Han. So where is our account?
You want chicken parm? You want sausage parm? What do you want?
The plain one. One only, huh?
That's it? One cheese?
Yeah, one
You
100.
sure you don't want a
Yeah.
hero?
No, I don't want a hero.
You don't want two slices?
Just for now.
Wait, I'm not gonna wait, I'll have to live with it.
Just in case my parking. I have money here. What's wrong with him? Meron akong pera dito. Kaloka itong si Tami. Huh?
Oh shit, it came off. Where's the stick for it?
It's in the other one. This is right, probably here. Just leave it. We're gonna do it later. May nagkakat dito, oh. Maulan na panahon. Hala, wala ng flowers. They don't have flowers here.
We brought some.
That's the cross. Huh?
Easter, it's too early.
It's okay. I see some people put already. Maulan kasi guys. Ibalik ko to kasi kinukuha nila. Tinatapon ba? Happy birthday, ma'am. It's her birthday today. Yun, nandito si ma'am. It's been 4 years. It's brewing, Han. I bring this home.
Okay.
Where's the cellophane? Nag-start siya, oh. Itapon kasi nila nito, guys, kaya kunin ko na lang kasi look, oh, nabubuhay pa siya. So, guys, kain kami, guys. Oh, no, come here. Where's your pen?
They give you fries, but no friggin' napkin.
Oh, I get the napkin in the back. Where did you put the water?
Should be on the floor over here.
I'm able to. Oh my god, they have a small one too?
Yeah.
Usually they're like huge like this?
Yeah.
Wow, what a waste. No, I'm not.
Hun,
I'm not. What's out is gonna go
it's
down?
Philly cheesesteak. Have it, hon. I'm not gonna eat it.
No. You're not gonna eat it, seriously. Can I have a bite?
Yeah, have it. Filet mignon is supposed to be the best.
No, there is another one in the Japanese. This is big, hon. Hon,
It's not, hon.
can I have that now? And you have this?
What?
Hon,
No,
can I,
hon, just have it. You
can I
believe
have?
it. It's not much bigger than this, hon.
Now, can I have that now? What?
Hon.
Can I have it, please? Okay,
Oh,
you
yeah,
have.
yeah,
You
yeah.
have na.
There's something wrong to you.
Hold this.
Just put it down.
Hi guys. Nakabalik kami dito sa Bahay Ampunan. Kasi bumalik dahil si Mr. Iwan ko, sabi pa niya, gusto kong umihihan kasi hindi ako anuhan kasi kailangan kong umihi. Sabi ko, do you really have to do that? Sabi ko, kailangan mo ba yung gawin kasi pwede naman kitang i-drop sa sa sagbutan ba, sa mga bushes area, and then doon ka iihi. Sabi pa niya, huh? Ano yung klase na yan? Sabi ko, ganyan naman lahat dapat lalaki iihi lang kahit saan-saan. Ayaw daw niya, guys, kasi iwan ko, ayaw talaga niya. Mainit kapag may jacket, kaya tinanggal na natin ito. Init ang init, at saka yung bra ko is nag-los-los na patungong Japan. Ay, ginoo ko. I think I have to bring some garbage. I think I have to add more garbage. Tika guys, mag-add tayo ng garbage. Basura ni Manoy. Yun lang, okay na. Isang basura, tatlong bag yung ginadala ko. Ay nako. And walang basura dito. Anyway guys, balikan ko kayo. Tingnan ko lang sa loob. Hi guys, we're here and I'm looking for dried fish for dinner. And I asked Tammy kung gusto niya niyang dried fish. Sabi ko, hindi ako nagjo-joke. Sabi pa niya, you should be. So, maghanap lang ako dito kung ano yung makakain, ganun, kasi, so, magluto na lang ako ng, andito pa, buhay pa siya. I don't know kung freezer burn ba siya. I think that's still good. So, yun. Lumpia. Ito lang. Marami pa, oh. So, kaya hindi pa ako gumagawa ng mga lumpia-lumpia na mga seafood. Kasi marami pa talaga, guys. Marami pa talaga. Hi, guys. It's 4 something na. And, nagising ako dito ako natulog. And, yung basura pala namin, hindi pa nila pinipick up. So, yung dinala ko na basura, galing sa isang bahay, nilagay ni Tammy doon, hopefully, they pick it up. Si Tammy, binigyan ako ng alib kasi, mabigat yung ulo ko. Sabi ko, every time na matulog ako, pagising, masakit ulo. So, ngayon, guys, ipa-fry ko lang ito, guys. I-fry ko lang ito.
Ah? The camera show people your face.
My face is fat, honey.
Show them your face. No, look on your face.
Because you are crazy.
You're not crazy.
I don't tell you to stop singing.
You did. You said, do you have to sing?
I said, do you have to sing when you feed your kids?
Well, that's like telling me not to sing.
No, that's not
You
it.
have to do that if
Do
it
something,
makes them
hon.
happy.
Hon? Okay, then sing. Start singing. Sing.
Do Uncle Ben. Come on, puppy yuppies. Yeah, puppy. Puppy yuppies. Only get your dinner now. Eat all of your food. Eat your little puppy child.
What did you put in there?
Ham turkey.
Did the cat eat? The cat ate? No, they're not eating. Oh, Hobbs is hungry. So, ang gagawin ko lang, guys, is hugasan ko lang yan. Ito na sa mukha ko. And lagyan natin ng battery kasi hindi pa kami nag-dinner pala kasi may mga kausap pa si Tammy. So, meron naman kami mga battery dito.
Right, but that's a Microsoft program, so why don't they just use data, Access, which is a database program?
You'd have to ask them that.
22 pounds ako, guys. And, alam nyo ba, na yung pagdating ko dito, ang timbang ko is 104 pounds. Yun, ang 104 pounds yung pagdating ko dito. And then, nag-gain ako, alam ko nag-gain ako long time ago. Naging 110 yung timbang ko, 110 pounds. So ngayon, alam ko talagang I gain a lot of weight. 104 or 105, naging 110. So ngayon 122. So kailangan kong bumalik. Ayaw ko ng ganito.
For outdoor set, is it?
Yeah.
It's not really bad, depending on what you get with the set. Again, at the end of the season, you get a much better deal. No.
Naglaba si Tammy. Grabe talaga. Laba-laba dami itong mister natin. Ay, i-in ko na tong vlog, guys. Kasi yung tutoy ko nakita na pala. One toy lang. Hindi pala yung toy. One toy. Nako. Isa lang pala yung totoy nakita, guys. Ipakita. Kasi, so, 1 toy lang siya. So, si Misty, ang aga niyang natulog dito. Bumangon kasi, dinisturbo ko. Ang aga niyang nahiga dito. So, sabi ko, okay, I will turn the fireplace para sa'yo. So, yun. Yun, may fireplace siya kapag matulog. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Salamat, guys, sa panonood. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, Han.
Hi, guys.
That's
See you
it.
tomorrow. Somebody see you tomorrow. Or you'll see us tomorrow.
Yeah. Busy as cellphone pa.